Trying to study for this math final I gotta do tomorrow. Oh gosh, hold on, let me see. Okay, all this work, I got all this stuff I gotta do. Look at all this. See all this? Who in the hell is Francois Viette? I don't know. I don't know who that is. I'm not sure what that has pertaining to do with math. But yeah. I mean, I don't know what to do. Stuff is hard. I hate college math. High school math is pretty easy. This stuff is just like ridiculous. I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to use any of this. Like, when the hell am I supposed to use this stuff? Like, when am I supposed to use this? Like, bro, any of this. When am I supposed to use any of this? I don't know. I was taught the only way to do a math problems is using 2 steps. First step, write down the math problem. Second step, cry. So I'm gonna go cry now. Hopefully I pass this final tomorrow. Yeah.